Welcome to our Testo 104 IR thermometer unboxing video. Today we are going to explore this remarkable device and see what's inside the box. Let's get started. Here we have the Testo 104 IR thermometer box. It comes in a sturdy packaging, ensuring the safety of the device during transportation. Let's open it up and see what's inside. First, we find the calibration certificate. This document guarantees the accuracy of the thermometer's infrared measurements. It's essential for precise temperature readings. Next, we have the user manual. This comprehensive guide provides detailed instructions on how to use the Testo 104 IR thermometer effectively. Now let's take a closer look at the Testo 104 IR thermometer itself. Here it is, the Testo 104 IR thermometer. It's a compact and rugged device designed for various temperature measurement applications. And of course, we have the two batteries included for immediate use. Now let's go over the buttons on the device and their functions. On the front, we have the arrow up button, which also functions as the power button when pressed and held. The arrow down button acts as the power off button. By using these buttons, you can easily navigate through the device functions and access important settings. The middle button is a hold, min and max button, which allows you to freeze and display the current reading or access the minimum and maximum recorded temperatures. Now, let's talk about the device probe. Here is the probe. It's designed to withstand the various environmental conditions and is even waterproof, allowing you to use it in challenging situations. Notice the two-point laser on device. It helps you precisely identify the measurement spot, ensuring accurate readings every time. And that's it! We've unboxed the Testo 104 IR thermometer, explored its contents, and discussed its key features. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who might find it helpful. Thanks for watching.